Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I would be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those details with you. So there is a requirement for freshers with respect to functional manual testing as well as with respect to automation testing. So the location is Ahmedabad, and you can share your CV at the email address, so that I'll be putting the email address in the comment section of the video. You can apply from there. Then PwC India is hiring for test engineers, QA analyst, automation QA for few urgent projects in Kolkata. So they are looking for candidates who can join within 40 days or who can join immediately. So you can scan the QR code or you can use this particular link as well, right? And let me show you the QR code so that it becomes easy for you to apply. Right. And this is about the QR code of the PwC company, and it's a walk-in drive that is going to happen on 22nd of March. So you can apply over there. Right. Then EPAM company is hiring for Python testers as that's for their rapidly expanding team. So experience is 3 to 14 years. Hyderabad mode would be hybrid. So if you are interested, you can send your updated resume to this particular email address with the following details: total experience in Python, Selenium, PyTest, design pattern, CTC, and expected notice period, all these things. Then there is a requirement for QA testers, web and mobile. So position is of a QA tester and experience is 1 to 4 years. Location would be Surat. So you can apply and you can send your resume to this email address, or you can contact at this number as well. Then again, there is a requirement for Python SDET. The experience required is 5 to 10 years. And the opportunity is in Noida, Gurugram, and in Pune location. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there is a requirement at Hyperlink Infosystem. So they are looking for QA manual 2 to 3 years, QA manual plus automation 4 to 6 years, and other job opportunities also there. And this is the email address. Then there's a requirement for SDETs Java automation, and the number of years of experience is 1.5 to 5 years. So they are looking for someone who has experience on automation framework design building. Interested people can share their resume at this email address. Then OptimHire is hiring for QA engineers, 0 to 4 years of experience. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for software testers, QA automation. Budget is up to 17 LPA, 6+ years of experience. So they are looking for software testers with 6+ years of experience in manual or in automation testing. Location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Gurugram, and this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then Persistent Systems is hiring in Pune, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. So they are looking for AWS security engineer, AWS DevOps consultant, Python automation testing. And in order to apply, you have to share your resume to this email address and include the following details as well. Then Testing Experts is hiring for automation testers, and the location is Gurugram. The experience required is 4 to 6 years, and the work days would be 5 days a week. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Right. Then Iris Software is hiring for below positions, and this is the referral email address wherein you can apply for senior engineer QA hybrid. Experience is 5 to 8 years, Delhi, NCR, Pune, Chennai. Right. So these are a few of the job opportunities for the freshers as well as for experience. And the name of the company which is hiring freshers is actually DF Systems in Ahmedabad. So you can apply on their website itself directly. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.